Welcome to this tutorial on how to check your Jio balance on your mobile device. Jio is a leading Indian telecommunications company that offers a variety of services, such as prepaid and postpaid mobile plans, broadband, and digital services. Checking your Jio balance is an important task that can help you keep track of your usage and avoid any unexpected charges. So, let's get started on how to check your Jio balance in a few simple steps. Step 1. Open the MyJio app on your mobile device. If you don't have the app, you can download it from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Step 2. Once you open the app, you will be prompted to log in with your Jio number and password. Enter your details and click on the Sign In button. Step 3. After logging in, you will see your Jio account dashboard. Here you will find your account details, including your balance and plan details. Step 4. To check your Jio balance, click on the View Details button under the My Account section. This will take you to a page where you can see your remaining data balance, voice calls, and SMS. Step 5. If you want to check your balance through a USD code, dial *333 number from your Jio number, and you will receive an SMS with your remaining balance details. And that's it. These are the simple steps to check your Jio balance on your mobile device. By following these steps, you can stay on top of your usage and ensure that you don't run out of data or talk time. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials on Jio and other mobile services.